Here we have a circle and a line going through the center, which is known as a diameter. The angle here stands on the diameter. Note that it is always 90 degrees all the way around, whether in this segment or in this segment. The angle standing on a diameter is always 90 degrees. So here we have a circle, a diameter, and an angle standing on the diameter. As we've seen in the animation, the angle standing on a diameter is always a right angle. If we use this fact in a question, and we're asked to state the fact given, always state angle in semicircle. Remember, a semicircle is half of a circle. So let's consider this example. Here we have a diameter. The angle standing on the diameter is 90 degrees. And we know the three angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. Therefore, the angle B is going to be 180. Take away the right angle, take away the 30 that we knew, and that's going to give us 60 degrees. Now consider that this angle here also stands on the diameter, so is also 90 degrees. We want A, and the three angles must add up to 180 degrees. So A is 180. Take away the right angle, take away 35 degrees, which is 55 degrees.